friends, here, Maithili Saran Gupta, I am a special DGP Police Reform. I would like to give some tips for how to be successful. Nowadays, youth, they are confused. So the first line of success, that have a clear vision. Your vision should be part of some bigger picture. It has very rightly said, don't think small. Thinking small is a crime. It is a sin against individual. It is sin against the society. It is sin against the nation. So let's take pledge that we refuse to think small. We will be thinking big and we will be making it happen. This is my suggestion for you, how to be successful, how to achieve your goal. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.